Hello kids, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel English Wing. Children, as we know that the grammar is the soul of English language. So, to fully master the written and the verbal communication in English language, you must also have a very good understanding of English grammar. So, here I am with the platform to learn English grammar from the basics. So, as you can see here is the list of what we are going to cover today. We will start with alphabets followed by alphabetical order, the capital letters, the vowels and the consonants. So, let's begin the fun of learning grammar. Now, moving on to our next slide, we are going to discuss about alphabets. Kids, the collection of the letters are called alphabets. Okay, the collection of the letters are called alphabets. And there are 26 letters in alphabets. Fine. Do you know from where we got this word alphabet? Yes, we got the word alphabet from Greek words alpha and beta. Okay, alphabets starts from A and ends on Z. Fine. And also alphabets have their 44 different sounds. Okay, about sounds I will make another video and we will discuss in our next video. Now we will read alphabets. Okay. So start repeating after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and the last one is Z. So kids, that's all about alphabets. Fine. Now moving on to our next slide, we will discuss here about alphabetical order. So children, as you all are already aware that English alphabet have 26 letters. Okay, and alphabets are arranged in the particular order. This order or sequence in which all the alphabets are arranged is called the alphabetical order or ABC order. Okay, clear? I'm repeating again. This order or sequence in which all the alphabets are arranged in order is called the alphabetical order. It is also known as ABC order. For example, like your teacher arrange your name in class attendance register. How they are arranging? They are arranging in alphabetical order. Name of the students starts with A comes first and name of the students start with Z comes in the last. We can take another example, that is our phone directory or telephone directory. Means if you will check in your mobile phone, you will find that your contacts are also arranged in ABC order, that is alphabetical order. Now the next example we can take, that is our dictionary. Dictionary is also a perfect example for the alphabetical order. If you want to find any word in dictionary, you will find it in alphabetical order. So kids, that's all about alphabetical order. Now our next topic will be capital letters. Okay. So capital letters are also known as uppercase letters and small letters are known as lowercase letters. Okay. So letter case in the distinction between the letters that are uppercase and capital, and the lowercase or small letters. Fine. Capital letters of the alphabet are differs from its corresponding lowercase letters in the form of height and how we are forming it or making it. Fine. For example, name of the person will start with capital letters. Okay, as you can see in the picture also, name of any person will start with capital letter. Now the second, you can take the example of place. Any place name will start with capital letters. Now any festival name like Holi, Diwali, Guru Parab, Eid, Christmas, they all will start with capital letters. Name of the month like January, February up to December will start with capital letters. Now name of the week, it will also start with capital letters. Fine. So kids, that's all about our alphabetical order. Okay. Now moving on to our next slide, that will be the vowels. Children, as we have already discussed about 26 letters of alphabet, the 26 letters are further divided into two parts, the vowels and the consonants. As you can see on screen, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now kids, you know that sometimes Y also acts as a vowel as well as a consonant. Fine. Children, you know vowel is a speech sound in which the mouth is open and the tongue is not touching the top of the mouth. Okay. If while speaking A, the mouth will be like open sounds. Okay. Just like there are about 20 vowel sounds in English that we'll discuss afterwards. Fine. Vowels are the only letters that are said with an open mouth. You can try it. A, E, I, O, U. Fine. So that's all about the vowels. Now moving on to our next topic, that will be the consonants. So the remaining 21 letters of the alphabet are known as the consonants in English. Okay. And yes, here comes the consonants. There are 21 consonants in English language, and they are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. Consonants have their 24 different sounds. So total phonic sounds are 44 sounds. Fine. Consonants are basic speech sounds. Children, in a very simple way, we can understand that consonants are the letters that are not vowels. So now it's clear to us that alphabets are divided into two parts in 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Fine. Now moving on to our next slide, that will be a revision time. Fine. So it's time for a quick revision. Repeat after me. First we will discuss A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Sometimes Y also acts as a vowel. Open sounds, they have their open sounds. usually found in the middle of the words. Okay, and they are 5 in numbers in English alphabets, and we are vowels. Fine. Now the next one, there are few examples are written on your screen, that is B, C, F, D, G, H. They have their close sounds. There will be more than one in words in most cases. Okay, we are in 21 in numbers in English alphabets, and we are the consonants. Fine. So, okay children, now I am signing off for the day. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Happy learnings. Bye bye.